Hello, young friends. Welcome to today's exciting video where we will learn all about artificial intelligence in a way that's easy to understand. Are you ready to explore the amazing world of technology and computers? Let's dive in. Meet artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is like a super smart computer brain that can understand, think, and learn, just like how you learn new things every day. Now, we know that natural things like the moon and the earth were created by God. No one can create them. But AI is a human-made marvel that allows computers to think and understand things. AI was developed by clever computer scientists in 1995. It's a kind of machine intelligence that makes machines think and perform tasks similar to how we humans do. AI is used in lots of cool ways. For example, have you seen delivery robots zipping around your neighborhood? They use AI to find their way. Drones also use AI to capture amazing videos from the sky. Do you ever talk to Siri or Echo? These are AI assistants that can follow your instructions, make calls, search the internet, and do lots of other tasks. They're like having a helpful friend inside your device. Isn't AI fascinating? We use it every day without even realizing it. Next time you see a smart device or a cool robot, remember that AI is the magic that makes it all possible. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI and technology. See you soon, little tech enthusiasts. That's it for today's video, kids. If you enjoyed learning about AI, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit subscribe for more fun and educational content. Bye for now.